movement is observing the Save River, Save Environment campaign week. Now we are here on the bank of Daya River, a prominent river of Odisha, which is severely polluted by municipality, Bhubaneswar municipality wastage, chemical wastage, and people are being deprived of getting drinking water from this river. So today also we have observed in Bhubaneswar and here also, here its name is Kunti. It is 15 kilometers away from capital Bhubaneswar, and people of locality have gathered here, and we demand that it is the duty of the government, state, to provide clean water and to protect, to save rivers from severe pollutions, mining and industrial pollutions. So today we also call for to be united and to get organized people to campaign more and more and to have agitations so that the government has to come to have its own plans for saving and protecting rivers, and also Daya River has to be protected. Also Daya River goes to Chilka, the biggest lake of Asia, and Chilka lake is also polluted because of Daya river is polluted. So we want to protect Chilka and Daya river. So this is today's campaign started. Thank you.